Now, Keisha,
okay. Oh, Keisha, you're wobbling.
Oh, another one.
Okay, let's say right, left. No, put your hand back. Left leg, yellow, Keisha.
Oh, that's gonna be hard.
It's easy for me.
No, Keisha, you're out.
Okay.
Okay, Anna, you win.
Yeah,
Let's start again.
I'm playing too.
Let's start this then.
Well,
No, it's not from here.
will you?
You can start with any side you want. Any place.
We want to be twisted up.
Okay, so right. Anna.
She said, me and Keisha get twisted up, you boys get twisted
Now
up.
they all get twisted up.
Right foot red.
Right foot.
Done.
Jeez, let's get this. Okay. Okay.
Okay. Left foot green.
Yeah. Uh-oh. Oh, yeah.
Okay. Right hand blue.
Wait. Oh, you need to put. Okay.
Left foot yellow.
Left foot.
Liam.
And no butt touching the floor.
I know.
Okay. Left foot. No, sorry. Right foot green.
I'm the only one that's not twisted up.
But your hand's not down where it's supposed to be, and you can't lift your other parts up. Okay, Liam, out you go. No, you can't. Okay. Left hand red.
Please make my back.
Okay, Anna, you're out.
Oh, darn. It's just against me, Anthony.
Oh, well, maybe not, because Anthony hasn't got his body parts over there yet.
Yeah, I have.
Okay. Left foot yellow. Okay. Right hand green. Okay. Left foot red.
Well, what's wrong with my left again?
Use your hand. Figure it out. He's just gonna get down. Oh, Keisha's hand came off.
Yeah, Keisha, you're out.
The old twins. Just fit.
I wanna go with Anthony. Good, was it cool?
Okay. One more round. So let's go. Left foot yellow. Okay. And right foot red.
This is easy. Okay. I'm pressing it over. Oh, make it more easier. I'm going to press you.
Okay. Left hand green.
Left hand is left.
And I think Keisha's.
I thought it go fall down. I got flip. I know why it flipped, but I knew I was thought it go fall down when I was trying to do the.
Don't push me, Keisha.
You don't want to try again?
No,
Keisha's
that's
pushing
all.
Okay. Well. Okay. Right hand red.
Right hand.
I'm the ultimate guy. Keisha.
That's why it's called twister, because you get all twisted up.
I just hope I don't boil. Keisha's gonna be smelling a whole lot of that.
Left foot green.
Left foot green. Can I please look at that?
I'm gonna fight Keisha. Look at my fight.
I don't even have any room.
Right hand yellow.
Right hand.
I think if I fight, Keisha's gonna fall.
The left is way better.
Right hand red.
Darn, why that
Let's try
again?
right one. You already went. Oh.
Left foot red.
Wait.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Okay, I think you're done that round. Anna wins.
That's it. You're going down the next round.
2-0 winning.
No, not 2-0. I'm not 2-0. You know, it's when no one else wins it all. Just you.
It was a tie this time.
Were you recording that, I think?